Buongiorno a tutti. Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and today I'm going to do a dish from my childhood. It's also from my parents' childhood. This is pasta with potato and peas. It's something my grandparents used to make after the war, and so did most Italians. The peas of course came out of a can in those days. Today we can get frozen and fresh easily enough, but the flavour is just not the same. This is a thing all of its own, and it's really wonderful. Kids will love this for sure. I used to love it as a kid and I still love it now. And I'm going to show you the way my mom taught me to snap up the spaghetti to make this. It's a kind of soup. It's a cool little trick. Kids will enjoy making it. Kids will enjoy eating it. I hope you do too. If you do like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Click on that link, pass on the word. There's always great food that we can make, and it's fun to do it together. Let's cook. For today's recipe we're going to need spaghetti, potato, onion, Parmesan cheese, canned peas and parsley.